long time. Today, last week we have done 3-letter words ending with the letter AT, right? We have done AT sound, okay? And today we are going to do what? We are going to do AN sound. What we are going to do? Today we are going to do AN sound. So let's start. Okay. See, this is what? This is an. Okay? Say an. An. Next, van. 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 Can. Can. Fan. Fan. Pan. Pan. Ran. Ran. Man. Man. We'll repeat one more time. Say an. An. Van. Van. Can. Can. Fan. Fan. Pan. Pan. Ran. Ran. Man. Man. So, today we did what? Today we did AN sound. Okay? You all will revise all these words. Okay? Bye.